A boy saves some money over a period of 60 weeks. He saves 10p in week 1, 15p in week 2, 20 pence in week 3, and so on until week 60. His weekly savings form an arithmetic sequence. Find how much he saves in week 15. Calculate the total amount he saves over the 60-week period. The boy's sister also saves some money each week over a period of m weeks. She saves 10 pence in week 1, 20 pence in week 2, 30 pence in week 3, and so on, so that her weekly savings form an arithmetic sequence. She saves a total of £63 in the m weeks. Show that m times m plus 1 equals 35 times 36. Hence, write down the value of m. So there's the question. Then I've got it in summary form here. So first of all, how much is saved in week 15? I'm going to put the answer here. So answer is equal to, well, in week 15, week 1 is this. So here the first term of this arithmetic sequence, the first term is 10. The common difference is we're adding 5 each time, aren't we, to each subsequent term. And week 15, well, we want the 15th term. So it's the 15th week or the 15th term, which is equal to a plus 14d, which is equal to a, which is 10, plus 14 times 5. 5 14s are 70, plus 10 is 80p. So 80 pence is saved in week 15. Find the total saved. So B, total saved then. Let's have a look at that. B, total. 60 weeks, so there's 60 weeks and 60 terms in total. So it's the sum of the first 60 terms, which is n over 2. 2a, a we know is 10, so 2a is 20, plus n minus 1, so that's 59, because n is 60, times the common difference, which is 5. Okay, so what have we got here? Well, we've got 60 over 2. 20 is 4 fives. We've got 59 fives and 4 more fives is 63 fives, isn't it? So we've got 30 times 5 times 63. And we want to show that equals, what does that equal then? Well, we just need to work it out, don't we? 5 sixes are 315. 30 times 315. 5 sixes are 300. 315 times 30 is £31.50. Times 3 is £94.50. Tap it in the calculator. I've written it down in pounds when we finished it off. So 315 times 3 is 945. With a 0 is 9450. Back 2 decimal places, and we get £94.50. So that's the grand total saved then over those 60 weeks. Okay, so we've done that. Girl saves the sister of the boy, who is saves for m weeks 10, 20 and 30 and so on, with an arithmetic sequence. She saves £63 in m weeks. Show that this is the case. So m weeks, so we need to work out SM, don't we? The sum after the first m weeks is equal to n. This is the number of weeks, which is also the number of terms. So it's m over 2, 2a, which is 10p to start with, so that's 20. 2a is 20, plus n minus 1, which is m minus 1, times the common difference, and it's going up by tens, isn't it, each time? And that's equal to £63. In pence, that's 6,300 pence. So what have we got here then? Well, we can take out a 10 as common. 10m over 2. This is now 2 plus, and that's a 10 taken out. So it's m minus 1 is equal to 6,300. Cross out a 10. And then we've got, here we've got m. In the bracket we've got m plus 1 is equal to, now the 2 can come up to be with the 630, 63 is 63 times 10. And then I'm going to bring up the 2 up here. So that's equal to 9 times 7, 9 sevens is 63, times 10 times 2. Now we can divide this out into the form we want. We need to show 35 times 36, so we need a 7 and a 5 is 35. 7 and a 5, there's still a 2 left here, so 2 2s are 4, 9 4s are 36. So that's fine. I.e., let's just re-emphasize it. M plus 1 is equal to 35 times 36, which is equal to 35 times 35 plus 1. So part D we can now write down M. So M is equal to, well, we can see the correspondence here. M is clearly 35.